Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. E, man, what you got to say for the subscribers, man?
Stay tuned.
I just prepped everything on the inside of there. Still a couple little shiny spots that I'm gonna hit with some Scotch-Brite. Just put this back on. 320 did. 320 all of this. Scotch-Brite all of that. 320 the bumper. And lifted up this cover. Sand all that down. Cleaned all this up. Did that lip all the way across. And 320 and 400 this. Just trying to get all that shine out of it. Man, and you talking about beat, I'm talking about tired. This truck has wore me down. I'm this type of person that is in and out with me. This truck came in. My whole goal is to get this truck out as fast as possible, get my money, get on to what's next. So I taped off the hood because he wanted to do some black inside the hood. He wants to do some two-tone on certain parts. So I got that. He possibly may want to paint the door handles. I'm against painting the door handles to color match, but we have paint left over. It's gonna happen. I'm just trying to make sure my customer's happy. Nothing's gonna make me more happier than seeing the job complete and done the right way, honesty. And having that sense of pride knowing that I took my time, I done it right. Like, this right here was back-breaking work right here. Just getting inside the bed, getting down low, and hitting each one of these grooves, each one of these lines. And I still got a little bit more to go because there's not supposed to be no shine. So if it's any shine, they let me know that it's not fully prepped. So I was hoping I was gonna get out of here. I wanna go ahead, I'm trying to get out of here before the store closes so I can get me a beer. So I'm gonna grab one more Scotch-Brite. And I'm gonna come back over here to the truck. And just hit these spots that don't look dull enough. And then especially just a maroon Scotch-Brite. This is all gonna be covered up. He has a cover that goes across here, and it's like sections. So all just gonna be covered up anyway, but I'm still gonna do it because doing it the right way, that's only the way to do it. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be able to get some footage of getting it painted, and an actual getting some color laid on it, because there's so much prep work that's involved. Even though all this gonna be covered up, I just want to know that it will never peel and it was done right. So anything that looks shiny to me, I'm just keep on coming back. And until this thing is painted, I'm pretty sure I'll always be nitpicking it because I want it to be perfect. You know, yes sir. So y'all stay tuned. My first time ever masking off a job like this. I'm just ready to go ahead and see that black on there. I think I did pretty good masking it off, catching that body line really close, and just making it look really good, making sure that the edges were sharp right here on both sides. First time doing something like this. My boy E, he gonna do it, he gonna jump in here and go ahead and knock this out. And what else I got going?
On this front bumper.
I got the 180 on this one. What you got in mind on this front bumper? What you thinking?
Should just cover the 5 lights.
Well, gray.
Right?
Yeah.
Like the truck.
Yeah. Get more color match bumper. He wanted to do the handles color match. We got this ready to get shot. Already beginning the scuffing process of this. Back bumper. Heating mask off the tailgate. Yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those wires real quick. The bumper lights. And we'll probably wash it down real quick. Prep it real quick. E, man, what you got to say for the subscribers, man?
Stay tuned.
There we go. This gonna be color matched. Got that. Some wax, the grease removed. So, man. Yes, sir.
Muddy water. Is it some in it?
Yeah, it's thinner.
hell out.
Man.
I'm good on paint. Shooting that clear, I can't do it.
I already know that a lot of people think I probably don't get in the booth. I really don't really be wanting to get in the booth. I much rather just bring in professionals that do this every day, and we just make sure that it's nicely done. But I actually stepped in the booth. I actually stepped my game up on this one. I did a lot of prep work, and as y'all can see, I got in there and I sprayed that gray. So now we're preparing to do the black on the grill and inside of the hood. So I gotta mask everything off. Y'all stay tuned. So I'm masking it up because this is gonna be black. It's gonna stay gray. I'm just masking everything up that I don't want black paint on. So that's what I'm doing. Got a couple more things I need to do to get it right. So man, it was just a lot of spraying and painting that went into this truck. The grill, I was expecting for it to really not hold the paint as well as it did, but it was holding the paint pretty well, even though it was over chrome. We added a lot of adhesion promoter. We shot the color, and right now I'm gonna be masking it up. I'm gonna resand it with red Scotch-Brite just so we can have the black on there, and that's what I'm doing right there, masking it all up. And then I don't think I showed where I prepped, but I came back with a red Scotch-Brite, and I just hit the areas where the black was gonna go. I touched those up really quick, and then he cleared over the whole piece.
You should turn your tickle in that back. I don't know what I was thinking. It's harder to see.
You can tell that shit thick and sticky. You get your feet.
Yeah.